Hello and good day. Hope you are doing well, traders. Uh, I would like to give some update about Gbpnzd, and we started the week here. Let's analyze it a little bit detail so we can see where we stand right at the moment. The week, if we see here clearly, it started here. Now, what happened? We would like to analyze. So the last week the price came down here and it retested these three zones we have, honestly speaking, because this dotted dashed line in blue represents the daily half, and this dashed line in purple represents the hourly 4 hour time frame half. And we did mention that this is a place where it can form a double bottom. So it came down and it formed a double bottom here. You can see it clearly. If we go to day time frame, we can see that this double bottom is actually in day time frame has been created from here. So if we extend, because this, can you see guys, this red candle in day time frame is very big, so the zone of this is also very big, so it did form a double bottom in daytime. So it is very clear now, so we have to edit this is not a possible anymore, it is a double bottom in daytime. Now if we remove, let's go to 4 hours now. Now if we remove this one, things will be more easy to see that this broke both the half barrier of day time frame and 4 hours time frame. Then it came here within the zone of the day double bottom. Then the price has been pushed by the buyer and it started gap up. Can you see? It started with the gap up in the opening of the week yesterday. So let's go here. So it came down in 4 hours, then it went up again, and let me remove this line too. Again it went up, retested back, and it couldn't broke the previous one. Again it opened gap up this week and retested, it couldn't break the previous one, and once it broke this line, it moved up very clearly. Now question is, when I was analyzing this at the end of the session yesterday, I was getting confused what made it stop here. So if we mark this area, and if we want to see in day time frame, there is nothing clear here why it stopped. In weekly time frame, if we go, there is nothing we can see that why did it stop, particularly this place. So whenever I see or face certain situation, I go to lower time frame. So if we go to lower time frame in 3 hours, we can see that there is nothing. If we go to 2 hours, we don't have anything here too. But now if we go to 1 hour, we can see that it has a double top from here. So this is the place for which the price is stopped here particularly. So let's mark it so we can understand the implication of this, that why did it stopped here. Let's make it black as. So this reason we have a double top actually in 1 hour, honestly speaking, and to move on 30 minutes will give us a better perspective. Can you guys see that this is the candle actually? So let's not put it in 1 hour, let's put it in more appropriate time frame. This we want it to be shown in hours, not week, month anymore. So and minutes. So if we go to 30 minutes, and this caused from actually here, this is the place which stopped the price, and as investigating this, it is confirmed that this double top does not exist in any other time frame, any other, in 1 hour, in 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hours, day, week, month. So it's a powerful double top. Any double top or double bottom in a particular time frame available, and not available in any other time frame, is a very powerful double top. So this pushed the price back. Let's get into 4 hours. So it pushed the price back here, but as you can see, if we treat this as a change of character and this one as a change of structure, I beg your pardon, break of structure, it has broken the structure. So the price has been pushed back due to this double top in 30 minutes. From here to here by the seller, it opened. Again the seller took control and pushed it back, but it failed to break this area. Again it tried, it failed to break this area, and it closed here. It closed here, opened here, it tried to push again. Now we can see that this is today's candle. So it is pushing price here. Again seller took control and tried to push back, and now it is respecting the this area. You see, this is the area it is respecting. Break of structure, if we assume for the time being. So what will happen now is the question. How far it will go up, or how far it will go down, or what will happen. So if we measure that this top is responsible for this bottom, if we measure this thing clearly, you can see guys, this half has been achieved already. This half has been achieved. It is very clear. So half is been achieved. New double top in 30 minutes has been opened, and it pushed the price back again here. Now again, for the sake of logical argument, this thing, if we see the price took off from here to here, so if we measure this even, we can see that the price is mainly concentrating in the half area. So my suggestion is plain and simple. If the price fails to break here, this line, then it will start moving this place. It will go up, and we will know it by the end of this current candlestick. It will break this and it will move up to this, because it has collected the liquidity from here already through this green candle, and again testing this line. If the test fails, then it will move here. On the flip side, if the price comes down and breaks this line, so let us remove this. It is not applicable anymore at the moment. So, and please be careful here too, because there is a zone here might I beg your pardon, may get active as soon as price moves into this zone. So we have to be careful here. So if we say that the price has moved up here, now retesting, and if it passes, the price moved from here to here, retest is going on. If the retest pass, it will come here, and of course it will do some ranging, some sort of, and then it will come here and retest this zone. And once this retest is complete, then the price will come something like here, coming back to our this zone. So this is one thing we have to watch out for now. This candle, how does it turns out, and if it fails to, if the seller fails to pull the price back on the red area or on this area, then it will come here and retest, and it will go like this. On the flip side, if this red is coming to this area, then it will create something like this. I think it will range for a while. Maybe then it will come to this area, and maybe it will retest here too, because we have so many candles here, you can see. So these guys are not going to let it go down easily, and once again it will enter this area. So it is very long how the price will react once the price reaches here, because it has a very big rejection from here as well as here. So moving things in a particular way, we should mark these two areas. That price will be working very hard within these two zones. Maybe because this week there is no such any fundamental news which can implicate this pair. A little bit here and there, and that's it. And in the broader perspective, if we can see that the pound and Gbpnzd has came here. Let's see in week, I think. So in broader perspective, we can see the pound came here and it started moving up, and if we measure here, we can have another perspective. I think you see it has moved 50%. Its retracement has been made 50%. So going upward from here will also be difficult, to be honest with you. Moving upward from here, if you see here this green line, so if we, let's see if it is available in days and hours. Let's put it, enable it, and if we go to day time frame, So moving price upward from currently the price is here if I'm not wrong. So moving price will go above this will be it's a tough call because there is a huge rejection. You can see here, guys, there is a huge rejection. So we have to keep that in mind, and let's put it in black color so we can see these markings properly. So coming back to 4 hours, this is the here the place where the things can go up to. So that's it for GBP NSD for the time being. We can take this off, this curve we can take this off. So, and please note, GBP NSD is a less volatile pair. It doesn't move so much. So most of the option traders prefers to use GBP NSD, AUD, CHF, less volatile pairs, and they can make some money on the options. So now during the making this video, you can see it has break off this line. So the price may have a higher chance that it will range within these two boundaries, which is not a bad one. Actually, it is 220 pips. So be careful when you trade. Let's see what it turns around, and we think there is a news and it will come on 10th. So it's a long way to go on Thursday. Take care. Bye bye. If you have any question or query, please let me know. And one thing I can correct here, that it may come here and grab the liquidity from here. Then it will break out from here. Maybe it will break out. Thank you very much. Please let me know if you have any question and query, and if you have any suggestion. I would love to hear that, and I would love to learn from you. Any take you trade based on this analysis is completely your discretion, and that is the disclaimer I have.